What was interesting was people were looking at the marketing collateral that we put together, the lovely images of what's going to be built here, and they're going, hey, that looks fantastic. It's stunning. Where is it? It really is one of those last coastal areas, I think, that's underdeveloped. But our job here is actually to do justice to the area.
Yeah, these buyers are very discerning. They want premium levels of finishes, premium locations. There isn't anything like this. And we talk about that scarcity or the uniqueness, the extraordinary. In this part of the world, this is the only one.
We know from feedback we've received from boaties, yachties, who travel up and down the coast all of the time, that this is something special. For example, if you pass this part of the coast, if you did come into Bundaberg, you would have to backtrack down through Hervey Bay. This saves you 70 or 80 kilometres in boating travel time in terms of moving into a safe harbour.
People talk about breaking ground. The harbour and the marina facilities are being dredged as we speak now. That's pretty much the start of the civil works. After that, the intention is, I believe, to roll into the apartment construction process. And then following that, part of that first master plan, the commercial facilities, the yacht club and the commercial restaurant precinct as well, to create that lifestyle destination.
People are buying in here now because they know this is coming on.